see how to configure Logic 500. Okay, and, a small example we'll see here. As we don't have hardware, okay, you can use simulator here, and the simulator is named as emulator here. Okay, it is called as emulator. So first of all, what we have to do is we need to configure our driver software. For that, we need to go to RS Classic. Open this. This RS means, okay, it is a list of it is having the list of the drivers. Okay, so that you can go to the communications and check this in the configure drivers. Okay, so here you can see we are having some driver types. One driver is already running here. So we need to stop it and delete. Take the just scroll down the available driver types. You can see the list of the different drivers available here. Okay, so if you are using hardware and you are using RS-232 communication, right? RS stands for recommended standard. 232 type means 3-bar communication here. 2 was for transmitting and receiving data, and 1 is for route. Okay. Similarly, we have Ethernet communication. Okay, and if you are not having any hardware, then we go with the SLC 500 emulator driver. Okay, so today we see with this emulator driver. Then click on add new. Okay, then here you have to select emulator. And that's the 500-1. Okay, this is our driver name. Say okay and okay. This is our driver, emulator driver, which is running. Then close and minimize this. Okay, minimize, keep it minimized. Then we need to configure our hardware. Here we have to double click open this RS Logic 500